Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that in the last 24 hours, the entire altcoin market is slowly starting to make a recovery and pretty much follow the trend that Bitcoin has set. If you do not know, Bitcoin is now above the price of 102,000, while some really scary news is starting to come out of the US government. This could be sparking the next big things, and especially we are waiting for the Fed result, which will be happening in about 72 hours. That's also going to be shaking up the market in a significant amount, and that can be seen by the trading volume actually seeing a huge dip. I mean, Bitcoin has fallen under 50 billion when it comes to the trading volume, and Dogecoin is under 3 billion. The prices are definitely showing a positive trend, but the trading volume is showing how the whales are sidelining themselves, waiting until the result for the Fed interest rate actually comes out in about 72 hours. Market manipulation challenges Dogecoin, breakout potential amid the consolidation dynamics. Dogecoin indicators are bullish. The whale accumulation is definitely about to explode, and Ethereum and Solana growth in Brazilian market is going explosive, while US President Trump confirms Bitcoin reserve plans as Russia hints at a crypto cold war. This could be the turning point. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profit. Just know, if you guys want the latest and the greatest news first, make sure you subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on the amazing stuff that's about to happen with the crypto market. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is this. Now, you guys know in the 90s, the biggest war, or the Cold War, started due to oil. After that, we're in the transition period from oil to now semiconductors. Now, you guys know that will be pretty much leading the AI and also everything relating to PC and chips. Now, those chips are going to be controlling a lot of things around the world, but there is a little thing which is starting to become part of this, which is the chip war or the cold war, and that is crypto, because this is going to be the biggest financial hub. Now, you guys know since the World War II, USD has been super important for the entire world. It's pretty much the world currency, pretty much everything that was doing the trades with it. BRICS decided to break away from it, and Trump is not happy. That's why there are so many sanctions which are expected to be put on those countries. The only other competitor to USD right now is crypto, and if Trump confirms that Bitcoin reserve plans are going to be happening once he comes into power, there will be another power war that will happen between US and Russia. So another Cold War will start, which will not initiate an exact terminology war, which is like just going against each other. Rather, it would be some problems that would be faced by both countries. So crypto could be benefiting from this, as both the countries will try to ramp up as much as they possibly can and throw money into crypto, and this could turn out to be a positive impact on the Bitcoin price. I just wanted to explain this so you guys get more perspective how significant this could be once Trump comes into power, which is just in about a month, at the end of January. Now, another thing is, if you have been paying attention to the Dogecoin price, as the market is staying a little stable, so is Dogecoin. It's just trying to stay above the price of 40 cents, and it's just consolidating, and everyone is just waiting for these important dates that will be not very far, and especially the Fed interest rate is going to be the one that will change a lot of dynamics for the whole crypto market. Open interest has fallen 3% today. If you talk about Bitcoin, it's actually holding really strong, and you can see that the price is doing something similar. If I show you guys the way Bitcoin has been performing, it's actually doing extremely well, and that's why the altcoins are just standing still, as there is just a lot of unexpectedness and you can say uncertainty. And let me give you one other interesting idea. So right now, where Bitcoin is sitting, it's pretty much trying to get over its all-time high, close to 103,000, but it did get rejected. Now, keep in mind, usually until the Fed interest rate does not come out, the market will not climb over its all-time high. There will be a little bit of consolidation phase, there will be profit taking, as not many people are expecting the price to do something crazy as the Fed interest rate is so close. But if you are going to be heavy leverage trading, just be a little cautious, because there can be a volatile market that can happen rapidly. Another thing that's important is if you look at the long to the short ratio when it comes to Bitcoin, and you can see that slowly it's starting to get closer and closer to 50%, which is interesting, and that will be interesting to see how it would react over time. Another thing is Ethereum and Solana. They're starting to become much bigger market, and a lot of people are anticipating that this year around, or this bull market, Solana will climb to Ethereum's market cap, which I think would be a far-fetched goal right now due to the fact how much attention XRP is getting. But seeing the big war between the two is very interesting. Now, if we talk about the market manipulation that Dogecoin is facing, it's definitely due to whales. There are so many whales which are selling large chunks, which is causing the market to stay in a downfall, or you can say in a consolidation phase as new people are deciding to join in. But what does this mean? Well, if there is going to be enough consolidation over time, the FOMO will kick in. That will definitely push up the price as Bitcoin climbs as well. Another thing is, fun fact, Ethereum often hits bottom or top against Bitcoin in December. Now, this is interesting because if, let's say, Bitcoin decides to climb, on the other end, Ethereum will decide to lose some money. And if you look at Doge, it's still trending on Twitter. Now, this is interesting because this was actually posted by CEO talking about how all of this information that we're seeing and everything relating to Doge, which is the department, now we can see that Doge might be going to $4.20. Dogecoin traders, is the dip to 40 cents a risk or an opportunity for you to buy more? Now that will be something for you to decide, but I definitely think that there's more to it. Now, Congress shakeup, new committee chair fuels crypto bulls with digital asset agenda. So there is definitely more and more agenda towards crypto that's coming out from the Congress. And let me tell you one thing, once Trump comes into power, it's definitely going to have a very positive impact on the crypto market. And Donald Trump knows more about crypto than anybody else. And it's easy to say that he definitely wants crypto to do well so he can also make good money. In Japan, lawmakers call for an adoption of Bitcoin reserves and Doge policy innovation. The fact that they are looking into the Department of Government Efficiency, they're definitely thinking of something bigger down the line. And more countries actually talking about Doge. There will be more stories that will be told. And let me tell you one thing, Dogecoin is no longer a meme, it's definitely becoming something huge. And what's in Asia's investor minds heading into 2025? A lot of them, let me tell you, so while betting on chip makers, bank stocks, dollar bonds for stable returns in 2025, they're definitely looking into countering the US tariffs and have high valuation, and crypto will be one thing that will be following that. Other than that, there is more things to happen with crypto. You just need to be a little patient. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.